Hello, everybody. How are ya? It's cutting me here, making me look like a Viking, ready for Valhalla, Odin and that. Come on.
Yeah, it's like half the length.
You know it would be anyway. If it was an 8 or 9 of it doing a 4, it's going to be hard, isn't it?